Okay, this video is about 2D shapes. And so I think it might be helpful if when you go in here, you click on the lesson, and you should be able to have that lesson up with the shapes as you go through the quiz. So it says, how many more angles does a rhombus have than a trapezoid? And so if we look over here, a trapezoid has 4 angles, and a rhombus has 4 angles. So it would be 0. Classify this shape. What kind of shape is this? Okay, you come back over here and you can tell that it's a trapezoid. And so that should be just only. Okay, it's not a kite, it's not a parallelogram because you have to have 2 parallel sides. These 2 are not parallel, they would intersect. Which of the following has the most number of angles? Okay, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, or heptagon. And if you come, I think on the first page of this lesson, there's a pentagon that has 5, hexagon has 6, and heptagon, I believe, has 7. Yes. Okay, so heptagon has 7, hexagon 6, pentagon 5, parallelogram 4. Which of the following has the most number of sides? Okay, so it's asking you this again. Parallelogram has 4, 2 parallel sides. And let's look at that picture. So parallelogram would just have 2 parallel sides. A square has 4 sides. A trapezoid has 4 sides. So I believe it would be C. None of these. They all have the same number of sides. Okay, classify this shape. Kite, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, or trapezoid. Can't be a parallelogram because it doesn't have 2 parallel sides. Same with rectangle. A rhombus, let's look at the rule for rhombus. A rhombus, 4 sides of equal length and equal measures. It can't be that one. So I think it's only going to be kite. Okay. How many more corners does a parallelogram have than a circle? Well, a circle doesn't have any corners, and a parallelogram has 4. In which of the following shapes are all the sides always equal? Well, a parallelogram doesn't necessarily have all sides equal length. Rectangle doesn't. The rhombus, we just read that the rhombus does, and we know a square does. So I'm going to say 3 and 4 only. Okay. How many more angles does an octagon have than a heptagon? Octagon means 8. Heptagon means 7. Hept. So we're just talking about 7 and 8, so it should be 1. Which of the following has the least number of sides? So a rhombus has 4 sides, a rectangle has 4 sides, and a trapezoid has 4 sides. So the answer would be none. How many more sides does a pentagon have than a rhombus? Okay, a pentagon, pent means 5, and a rhombus should be 4. Okay, here's a rhombus with 4, and a pentagon's up here with 5. So it would have 1 more side. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Try it again and see how you do, okay?